Hi, this is a video of Forrest's Breckwell P23 or 24 pellet stove controller that he sent to me for repairs. When I received it, the auger motor indicator was fluctuating on all the time, and the auger motor was apparently running all the time. And sure enough, I found problems with the circuit board, which needed to be repaired. So I went ahead, completed those repairs, and now I'm ready to test it. So I'll go ahead and turn it on, and when I do that, we'll be able to test a few things. So sure enough, I've got the pellet feed control on low, so I've got a dim light, and because of my test fixture, I have the combustion blower running full time. We will not see the igniter come on here because this pellet stove controller doesn't have an igniter, but we'll see the auger motor drive come on occasionally. So to test it, first of all, if I press the high fan speed, we'll see the light go to its brightest position. So that's indicating that the maximum power is being given to the fan motor and it's running at high. And then I can momentarily switch the auger on to drive it. There it is, that's being driven as I press it. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and press the auger button, and that will momentarily blink it, but there we go, short blink. But now we have to wait for the timer on the control board to go ahead and turn the auger on, and we'll see that because a little green light behind here will shine brightly to indicate that the auger motor should be running. And when it does that, we'll be able to see the auger light go on, the yellow light over here. So just waiting for a little, there we go, they're both on. So we'll wait for one more cycle of that, and then I'll turn it on to maximum pellet feed, and that'll mean that the auger will run a little bit longer than it currently ran there. So just runs for a little bit. So as I turn up the auger feed rate, I can see the lamp brighten and dim. That's maximum position, and we should see the auger drive last on a little longer this time. There it is, it's on for a little bit longer. So with that, the repairs to the circuit boards, repairing the indicator light, replacing the fuse, and a few other things, I believe this circuit board is running as well as it can, and it's ready to be returned to the customer. Thank you, Forrest.